Hollywood's biggest night is almost here, and here is exactly how you can watch the 2026 Golden Globes. E-Network live from Golden Globes 2026, where you can watch all your favorite stars arrive, pose, and show off their stunning outfit. If you don't have cable, you can use Peacock Stream's Red Carpet Live, letting you watch on a phone, tablet, or smart TV with a compatible plan. You can also watch the red carpet for free on Variety's YouTube channel. In addition, the Golden Globes official social media channels, Instagram, TikTok, X, and Threads are streaming live clips, interviews, and exclusive backstage content as it happens. Once the red carpet wraps, the main event begins. The Golden Globe ceremony starts at 8 p.m. Eastern and airs live on CBS, delivering all the awards, speeches, and unforgettable moments. If you don't have cable, you can still stream the event live on Paramount Plus, YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Fubo TV, and DirecTV Stream, giving you access to every moment from anywhere. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.